Hi, I'm Mahfuzur Rahman. I am a professional WordPress web developer specializing in WordPress, Shopify and medical website design. I have been helping clients create websites that are clean, fast and easy to use. My goal is simple: to make your website work smoothly and look professional. Healthcare and medical website. I design a website for doctor, clinic, medical and fitness professional with the booking system, doctor information, patient information, payment gateway, FAQ and blog. WordPress fixing. If your website is broken or showing any error, I can help you. PHP issues, database error, elemental problem, security and speed. Shopify customization. I will fix Shopify bugs, create custom section, update design, improve your overall looks and professional. I focus on clear communication, on-time delivery and 100% client satisfaction. If you need a reliable developer, feel free to inbox me. I am here to help you. Thank you.